What's up, Play Pals? It's Memorial Day. It's Memorial Day weekend, and we are going on another adventure. It's actually nice out right now, as you can see, but the weather calls for rain. We're going to the Cedar Point water park. It's the brand new water park, just opened a couple days ago. It's called Cedar Point. Hi. It's called Cedar Point Shores, and we went. There was a heated debate today whether or not we were gonna go. Right, Mommy? Mm-hmm. Because Mommy's probably right. It's most likely going to be raining when we get there, but we're going to give it a shot. See if we can get on some of these new slides. There's a whole new... What? Okay, there's a whole new kid zone.
And there's a kid... yeah, what my daddy said.
So we're going to see how it goes. We'll keep you posted. We're at least going to go see it. Love you, bye.
We're still on our way to Cedar Point, and it's only rained a little bit.
Yeah, it was looking pretty scary for a minute there. There was a lot of clouds, and it rained for a second, and it looked like Mommy was warming up a big "I told you so" for a second there. But right now, go ahead and show them. You can see some clouds way out there, but the sun is hitting us right now, and we're still excited. We're gonna
truck looks like rain.
We're gonna make the best of this adventure. We're coming up on Davis Bessie. I don't know if you guys are familiar. It's the nuclear power plant.
Oh, another copy. Lots of copies.
Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do?
Girls, how's it going?
Good.
Oh, Fifi sleep.
Farmer.
Oh, yeah. What's it called, Flick?
This is where all the clouds come from. I don't know if you guys ever looked out your window and saw clouds, but this is where they come from. What they do is they mix cotton candy, water, and air. What else do they mix? What else are clouds made out of, Melania? Hair.
Yeah, because they're fluffy.
So, water, cotton candy, and hair. That sounds delicious.
Oh, I like water, cotton candy, and air better. Air
Did
or
you
hair?
say air or hair?
Hair.
It's the cloud maker making clouds. Wild waves. Offshore Performance Center. Boats and boats.
Why are you making me video this? I am so freaking scared of this thing.
You're facing your fear right now.
God.
That gives Mommy anxiety, that big thing.
I'm not looking, so I don't know if you can see the
Just
water.
look at it. Well, you probably got my big old nose in there. Oh, that's even safer. Oh, man. There's some big old storm clouds. We still see the sun.
Told ya.
Alright, we're about to go over the Sandusky Bay. Sometimes when it's clear enough, you can see Cedar Point. Girls, are you going to try and see it?
Yeah.
Alright, it's going to be out Fifi's window. It's going to be far away.
It's going to be out Fifi's window.
Yeah. See it? It's way far out there. Oh my gosh, there it is.
Look at it. Look at it.
Oh, are you recording?
Yes. Do you think I'm like an idiot or something?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes, I do.
Livy.
Alright, here we go, you guys. We're gonna go check it out. It's overcast right now. It's not raining.
Are we here?
Yeah. Hey, we're also gonna get you some sneak preview shots of the brand new roller coaster that's, well, actually the future roller coaster. It's not even done yet. They haven't even announced it yet. It's the old Mean Streak.
I want to check.
but they've changed it, and there's like all kinds of new track and stuff back there, and there's piles of track everywhere.
Daddy, this person's not in their way.
Why does it smell like fire? Over here, baby. Oh, the rides are going. It looks like if it does rain, it should blow through pretty quick. Hopefully. That's the blue streak right there. Look at this guy running.
Exercising.
Getting it. Right past the blue streak, you can see, what's that? What color is that? Is that Valraven?
Like orange and like a rusty orange.
You can see the Valvaran. Actually, right now we can see like 10 coasters. It's the blue streak right here. Then you have the Raptor, the Valraven up here. Look, the Rougarou is about to go down the hill. Can you see the Rougarou up there? That really, really big hill to the right is the Dragster. There's Valraven. Oh, that's a big RV. Oh, keep going, baby. There's the Rougarou. And then this big dog over here. What's this one called? Millennium Force. Alright, you guys, once we get around the corner, we're going to give you a sneak peek at the future roller coaster, the next brand new roller coaster at Cedar Point. Nobody knows what it's going to be called or anything. Dude, this is a perfect day to be here. There's no lines. I have to go in and ride the Millennium Force solo again. Look, these people are going to get pulled over.
Are they really?
No, I'm just kidding. Workers, I'm sure. Police. All right, coming around this corner, we're gonna see the Maverick, our favorite roller coaster, one of our favorites. And then after that is the roller coaster formerly known as the Mean Streak. All right, here's the Maverick. All right, here it is. There's the formerly known as the Mean Streak. Get it, Mama, look at it.
Keep talking.
I don't know what it's gonna be, but it used to be the world's biggest wooden coaster, but ride times are riding, it wasn't very popular, so now they're replacing it. Look, it's got metal track. As you can see, it's under construction right now. And it looks like it's gonna be something pretty intense. Oh my gosh, look at it. Nobody knows what it's gonna be. Well, somebody does, but we don't. It looks like they took out a lot of the wood that was there. We are, baby.
But can we go in it?
Yeah. The water park's kind of busy today. There's the Magnum, and here's the parking lot to Cedar Point Shores.
I see over there.
Try to not get in a car accident on our way in.
It's so bad. Go to Cedar I want to go on a big slide.
Cedar Point Shores.
Yeah.
No, like a big small slide.
A big small slide?
Yeah.
All right.
Like that pink round one.
Where is it? All right, we're here. We're walking up to the water park. And there's a little bit of blue sky up there. I don't know if you can see it. So far, so good. Oh, actually, I feel some sprinkles, but it's from this giant thing. Melania's got all our stuff. The girls are ready. Ashley's got her arms crossed because she's ready to have a good time. Oh, we made it. Cedar Point Shores. Oh, look, it's the biggest sun seat ever. Oh, excuse me. There's the big kid zone. And with the latest update, as you can see, the sun is out. It is a total win, a not fail. Right, Phoebe? Right there. He's like, I'm gonna eat some snackies. Oh, you're fine. What do you think, girls? The sun came out. Is it a big thumbs up? We went in the kid zone. Now, all the slides, the 12 kid slides were closed because they said there wasn't enough water over there, as you can see. But it looks like the girls might have been a little bit too small anyways. So we're gonna come back to get the big slides for the girls. But either way, we're having a blast. The sun is out. As you can see, it just came out again. We're actually gonna go inside. We're gonna play a little bit. I'm gonna go on a roller coaster or two. Ashley said she's too scared to go without me. And Melania is not quite old enough to go without somebody watching. Melania, what are you gonna ride inside? What do you want to ride inside? In the Cedar Point. What do you want to ride? What do you want to ride? What'd she say? Carousel? How about you, Mom?
The train!
All right. All right, well, I'll talk to you soon. We're going to have a blast. Oh, it's a tradition. Mommy's getting the girls.
I love the way Peter goes. She has to double check.